In the fast-paced, information-saturated world we live in today, the ability to maintain a clear and focused mind amidst chaos and distractions is a skill that can set individuals apart. This skill is often referred to as presence of mind. It goes beyond mere mindfulness and encompasses the capacity to stay calm, make sound decisions, and perform effectively in high-pressure situations. In this essay, we will delve into the concept of presence of mind, its importance, and practical strategies for mastering it. Understanding presence of mind. Presence of mind, sometimes called situational awareness, or mental composure, is the state of being fully aware and engaged in the present moment. It involves having a clear and uncluttered mind that can react thoughtfully and effectively to any situation. While it shares some similarities with mindfulness, presence of mind is more about active engagement with one's surroundings and the ability to think and act strategically, especially in challenging circumstances. Importance of presence of mind. Presence of mind is a valuable asset in various aspects of life. Whether in personal relationships, professional endeavors, or emergency situations, having a high level of situational awareness can make a significant difference. A. Personal relationships. In personal relationships, being present and attentive can enhance communication and empathy. It allows individuals to truly connect with others, understand their needs, and respond empathetically. This is crucial for building strong, healthy relationships. B. Professional performance. In the workplace, presence of mind can lead to better decision-making, improved problem-solving, and increased productivity. It enables employees to adapt to changing circumstances and handle high-pressure situations with grace. Circa emergency situations. In critical situations, such as accidents or disasters, presence of mind can be a lifesaver. People with this skill can remain calm, assess the situation accurately, and take the necessary actions to minimize harm. Components of presence of mind. Presence of mind is a multifaceted concept, and it involves several key components. A. Awareness. Awareness is the foundation of presence of mind. It means being fully cognizant of your surroundings, your emotions, and the people around you. It also involves paying attention to details and potential cues in your environment. B. Emotional regulation. The ability to regulate one's emotions is crucial for maintaining presence of mind. Emotions can cloud judgment and hinder clear thinking. Those with presence of mind can manage their emotions effectively, preventing them from taking over in critical situations. Circa adaptability. Presence of mind involves adaptability and the capacity to pivot when circumstances change. This flexibility is essential for problem-solving and decision-making. D. Strategic thinking. Having a strategic mindset is another component of presence of mind. It means being able to analyze situations, consider potential outcomes, and make informed decisions that align with your goals. E. Rapid decision-making. In high-pressure situations, quick decision-making can be vital. Presence of mind enables individuals to make rational decisions swiftly, without succumbing to panic or indecision. Strategies for mastering presence of mind. Now that we have a deeper understanding of presence of mind and its importance, let's explore practical strategies for mastering this skill. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful practice for developing awareness and emotional regulation. Regular meditation sessions can train the mind to stay present, observe thoughts without judgment, and manage emotions effectively. Breathing techniques. Deep breathing exercises can help calm the mind and reduce stress. When faced with a challenging situation, taking a few deep breaths can restore clarity and composure. Visualization. Visualization techniques involve mentally rehearsing scenarios and potential responses. This can be particularly helpful in preparing for important meetings, presentations, or any situation that requires focus and confidence. Mindful listening. In personal relationships and professional settings, practicing mindful listening can enhance communication and empathy. It involves fully engaging with what others are saying, without distraction or judgment. Physical well-being. Physical health is closely linked to mental well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can contribute to better cognitive function and emotional stability. Stress management. Developing effective stress management strategies is essential for maintaining presence of mind. Techniques such as time management, setting realistic goals, and seeking support when needed can help reduce stress. Practice under pressure. To truly master presence of mind, it's crucial to practice in real-life situations. This can involve role-playing scenarios or taking on challenging tasks that require focus and adaptability. Continuous learning. Presence of mind is not a one-time achievement. It's an ongoing process of self-improvement. Continuously seeking knowledge, feedback, and self-reflection can help individuals refine this skill over time. Real-life examples. To illustrate the power of presence of mind, let's consider a few real-life examples where individuals displayed remarkable situational awareness and composure. Captain Chesley Sully Sullenberger. In 2009, Captain Sully successfully executed an emergency landing of U.S. Airways Flight 1549 on the Hudson River after both engines failed due to bird strikes. His presence of mind, quick thinking, and effective communication with the air traffic control were instrumental in ensuring the safety of all 155 passengers and crew on board. Nelson Mandela. During his 27-year imprisonment, Nelson Mandela demonstrated extraordinary presence of mind. He used his time in confinement to educate himself, engage in diplomacy with the prison authorities, and plan for the future. His ability to maintain composure and strategic thinking ultimately played a pivotal role in ending apartheid in South Africa. Emergency medical responders. Paramedics and emergency medical technicians often work in high-stress environments where split-second decisions can mean the difference between life and death. Their training emphasizes presence of mind, enabling them to provide critical care even in chaotic situations. Conclusion. In a world filled with distractions, stressor, and unexpected challenges, mastering presence of mind is a valuable and attainable skill. It can enhance personal relationships, boost professional performance, and even save lives in emergencies. By cultivating awareness, emotional regulation, adaptability, strategic thinking, and rapid decision-making, individuals can unlock their full potential and navigate life's complexities with grace and confidence. Remember that presence of mind is not an innate trait. It's a skill that can be developed and honed through practice and dedication. So, embark on the journey of self-improvement, and you'll find that the rewards are well worth the effort.